Today we'll be making some yummy, tasty and cheesy veg cheese quesadillas. Quesadillas are a staple to Mexican cuisine. Just see the cheesy base and the stuffing of this yum quesadillas. And moreover, these tortillas are also homemade. I'll give the link in description box. You can check out the recipe of this yummy tortillas. Once you can prepare the tortillas and store it, and then whenever needed you can make this yummy quesadillas. They are very healthy, very tasty, and of course kids love them due to cheese. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner. I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell button. So let's start making this yummy quesadillas. As I said, I had prepared the tortillas earlier. Now I'll prepare the stuffing. For that I am heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Heat it in medium flame, and once the oil is heated, add 2 finely chopped green chilies. If you are making it for your kids, then avoid green chilies, and wait till the green chilies are cooked well. Now I have used some veggies here. I have used some onions, around 1 medium size onion sliced, bell peppers, green, red and yellow, or I have cut in juliennes. And you can prepare the stuffing in batches, like once you prepare stuffing for one quesadilla, then you can go for another one. So you can alter the amount of veggies as per your wish, and if you don't have the 3 types of bell peppers, then green will also do. I'll add some corn, around 2 tablespoons. These are normal sweet corns. I have just boiled them and I'm adding it this stage. Stuffing can be varied according to your choice. You can add some blanched broccoli at this stage, some blanched cauliflower at this stage. If you want, you can also add some grated carrots. It's all totally depends upon you. Now after the veggies are roasted, you can add either one of these 3 things, that is mixed herbs, oregano or pizza mix. If you have any one of these 3 things, that would do. I have added here oregano. Just mix it and adjust salt according to your taste, because we'll be adding cheese, so just be careful. Now once the veggies are done, I'll add around half cup of grated mozzarella. Once I add mozzarella, just switch off the gas. The cheese will start melting in the heat of the pan, so make sure you switch off the gas at this stage, and add some red chili flakes. Mix all the ingredients and remove from heat immediately. My stuffing is done. You can already see the cheese has started to melt. Now let's stuff the quesadilla. For that I have taken a pan here, heat it in medium flame, and I'll add 1 tortilla. I had prepared it earlier. It's homemade and it's completely easy. Just add the stuffing and spread it evenly. Make sure you just do this process carefully, because the cheese is melting hot. It has started to melt. Now just put another tortilla on the top of it and press lightly. Now we need to roast these tortillas on both sides for around 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame, so that they get slight brownish color. You can also do this thing in griddle or grill pan. You can see, because of heat, the veggies and the cheese have started to combine very well, and it has a perfect grip of the tortillas. Now just flip it over and you can see the tortilla is ready and it's well roasted, and my quesadilla is almost done. Now you can, as I said, you can add any variations according to your wish. And the best part of this dish is that you can prepare many things, like the veggies you can cut and keep, the tortilla you can make, and once your kids arrive, or you have some party, or just you want to eat something new, you can make this. It takes minutes to make this dish and it's super yummy. Just see the melting cheese, how yummy and tasty it's looking, and my quesadilla is done in minutes. Now I need to cut this quesadillas. I'll use the pizza cutter. Just wait for 1 minute till the cheese just cools down. It's super hot at this stage, so I have cut it into 4 pieces. I'll just show you how the cheese is looking at this stage. Just see, it's so tempting, so yummy. The kids would eat all the vegetables in accordance for the cheese here. So I hope you will prepare this yummy quesadillas and you will give me feedback after preparing this. Easy, tasty, flavorful, yet healthy. I hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please give us a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for such yummy recipes, and share with your family and friends. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.